Hello there! Today we are going to make a freehand design. So, are you excited? Wow, we see a beautiful freehand design right here. So, let's grab our pencil and start making this. We will follow the steps to make this beautiful design. What do we do first? We will start by making this curve and try writing a number 2. After that, let's make this from here. We are going to make these curves nicely and then complete this outer part. After that, we are going to make these 3 curves inside and start by making these lines from here. This is a freehand drawing and hence we are not going to use any type of scale or any other such material. Also, just because this is a freehand drawing, all the lines you see here are curved. This freehand drawing is very interesting, and if you look at it carefully, it looks like a bird. Don't you think so? Give it a thought. And now let's start painting this. We need to choose a paintbrush which is of a perfect size. So for this, it is preferable to use a 4-number brush. So let's take our blue paint and start painting. The steps are very simple. We need to rub the brush on top of the color to make it more dark. Let's start with the outline first. Go very slow when you're doing the outline. Hold your brush just like a pencil and start doing this. Every time we take paint, we need to take fresh water on top of the color and rub the brush properly on top of it. This looks great. Now we are going to start painting the next design. Let's paint this together. It is an easy process. At first, we need to do the outline and then paint inside. If you notice, we are using the tip of our brush to paint. Go very slow. Just in case if you have a lot of paint in your brush, you can paint multiple sections in your design. Paint confidently and do not go out of the drawn paths. If you wish to color this, then sketch your freehand drawing before the coloring. We always sketch after painting. Let's paint this with blue color nicely. You need to paint 2 to 3 times on top of the paper and then take the paint once again. This looks great. We are done with all the blue parts. Now let's take the green color. If you feel that you're not comfortable with the same brush, then you can also take a 2-number brush. Yes, you can take a 2-number brush for the outline and then paint inside with a 4-number brush. The smaller the number, the thinner the brushes get. The bigger the number, the fatter the brushes get. Paint this nicely. Make sure that you do not keep any white spaces. Also, just like how we color, we need to paint only in one direction. We want a smoother texture right here, for which we are going to take a fatter brush. There are times when we see the brush strokes on top of our drawing. So, if you do not want that, then you can take a bigger brush and paint on top of it once again. This is lovely. Let's take another shade of green now and complete the other parts. If you feel that you do not have a shade closer to this one, all you have to do is mix a little bit of yellow in your green to get this beautiful shade, just like how we are going to do now. And look at this. It looks very interesting, right? So, let your paper be a little watery and immediately take your yellow color and merge it with your green. This is going to give you a beautiful effect. Let's continue painting in a similar way. We will start with the green color and then paint yellow on top of it. Let's do this together. Also, it is advisable to paint this area only after your blue is dried out. Let's take the yellow color and start painting on top of this. This is such a fun activity, isn't it? I'm having a lot of fun. We have such a beautiful greenish yellow effect for our freehand drawing now. Do not use a lot of water for your painting, or else there are chances of your entire drawing being smudged. Once your drawing is dried out, you need to start sketching. Remember, you will only sketch once your entire drawing is dried out. Give it a beautiful definition with the help of your sketch pen. It is going to make our drawing look beautiful. If you feel that there are a few white spaces which you see here, you can actually color it a little with your black sketch pen. Let's do this together. Complete the entire design in a similar way. Wow, this looks beautiful. And well, we are done with this, and now let's do these lines. This looks pretty.